Hi, this is Steve Biggs of Boatshed, Norfolk, on board the 1996 Bayliner 2655 Cierra. This is the interior. Nice tidy little boat this. Nice upholstery. Couple of little marks, but I can't really see any tears or rips. Flip-flop rear bench, which is very nice. Storage under. Access to the engine, through the floor. I'll check with the vendor that the rear seat is available. Moulded stepways, cockpit lighting. Nice sociable boats these. Single V8 engine on outdrive. Seating's nice, plush, comfortable. These boats have a step-through screen, so you work your way up there, opening the screen, saves you going down the outer deck, which is very small, and you can step straight through onto the foredeck. Companionway down into the main cabin. She will sleep 4. She has an undersole berth. Nice little galley module to port, with dual electric and spirit stove. So 2 tanks of spirit under there, 1 for each burner, or you can use the electric, lift and lower down. Microwave, stereo, electrics panel, aft under cabin berth, under sole berth, sorry, which is a full size double. Waco refrigerator. Good size wet compartment, heads and shower, all very clean, very tidy. A very nice looking boat. See some of these that haven't been loved and looked after. This one doesn't feel that way at all. So all good upholstery, as you can see. Ruched leather trim, fly screens on the window, good headlining, really nice tidy example of one of these Bayliners. If you'd like further information on this Bayliner 2655 Cierra from 1996, please contact me, Steve Biggs, at boatshednorfolk.com. Thanks for watching.